Welcome to Kids Media. Today I'm showing you how to draw a tree with a rainbow background. Let's begin. So we're going to start off with a reddish color like this, and at the side of our paper at the corner you just got to make a line like this and color that in quickly. Let me do that quickly. Color that in quickly like that, and next we're gonna do a reddish closest color, like reddish to orange. So from here we just gotta do a little bit of it and color that in, and then we gotta do the orange color. Yeah, is this. So from here we just gotta make the line and color that in like that. Keep on that. Next we're going to do a yellow color. I'm sorry, I don't have a yellowish orange color, so I'm just going to use plain old yellow. But yeah, like this, and color that in. Color that in. And then we're going to use a greenish lightish color. Yeah, a greenish lightish color, like between yellow and green. Go like that. Properly color this like this. It doesn't have to be that properly. You can leave a little bit of gaps. That's okay. And then we gotta do a darkish color like this. Just a little bit. Like this. See that? It's okay if it comes like that. Now we gotta do a light blue color here. Something like that. Yeah, better color it properly like this. Then it will be easier to blend. And then we gotta do a dark blue color like that. Like that. And then we gotta do a purple color like this. Just plain purple. Simple. Okay, we're done in the colors. Now it's full. We just need to get some tissue paper like this. We gotta blend it in. So just start from the red and start to blend it. Just rub it hard like this to make it blend like that. And do this like this. See how's that blending? It works really awesome. See, keep on doing it. Whoa. Can you see how it turns red to kind of orange? That is what oil pastels for. So I'll do that quickly. Yeah, better start from the red and all the way going like this. Then it will be a little bit easier to blend, and it's like going to darkest to light and going back to dark. Yeah, like that. Mix it with this yellow and green. The most important thing about this is about making these colors, making sure the colors are neatly colored in. Well, it doesn't have to be neatly colored in. You can leave some gaps, but make sure it looks like this. Then it will be easier to blend. Like in here, I did lots of gaps of white, so it was a little bit hard to do it, but it won't do that bad. keep on going. The most important thing is actually to get the colors that are good. Like the bright colors go with the bright colors, the dark colors go with the dark colors. So easier to see. Not like red and blue, like red, orange, and yellow, or blue, dark blue and purple. So we've done this, and now we gotta do the tree. So we just gotta get a marker. Well, it has to be a good marker because regular markers won't work on oil pastel. So that's why we use this. So about here, I'm just gonna make a point like that, if you can see it, and make a curve like this. And we have to make a straight line down, but it'll be hard for me to do it because I'm not great at straight lines. So I just use something straight like this to make it straight. Yeah, do something like that, a tree shape like that. Sorry, I really need a pencil for this, so I'll just pause this video and get a pencil. Okay, I couldn't find a pencil, but I found this chalk, so that will actually do good. So, oh, that works perfectly. So I'll make that tree again. So do this like that. Make that down right there. Oh. Like that, and we'll color that in. It doesn't have to be that neat, it can be messy. Well, artworks are always good, even if it's bad. Try to cheer up someone. You should always cheer up someone, then you can encourage them and they'll be a great artist. And you'll make them happy, you make yourself happy, and you make others happy. Okay, please use a pencil for this because using this is actually hard for me to actually do this. See, you can see I'm doing gaps right there, so please use your pencil so you can take your own time. I'm just rushing because I don't want this video to be short, so that's why. Okay, then we'll make some stem. So right here, we're gonna make a branch. Oh, if you can see it, it's a little bit thin. Let me make it darker for you. Yeah, like that. And make it outline. Like that. And do random curves like this. And color that in. Like that. It will take a long time to actually draw this, so I'm just gonna speed run this. So I'm just gonna pause and draw all the branches, and then I will show the next step. Okay, I done the branches. Some of them will look a little bit weird, but it's okay. Everyone makes mistakes, and it doesn't matter if the drawing looks good. At least I'm teaching you how to draw it. Well, not draw it, how to make it by yourself, and just do what you think is right. Okay, for the last thing I'm going to show you is that we're just going to add some petals. So I'm just going to use a correction pen for that. So I'm just going to make dots around the spiky parts like that. Make dots like that. If you can see, do this. Every stem, you may just go a little bit like that. It's okay. You can choose how big, how small. Like that. It's all up to you. This is not my artwork. This is your artwork, and you can choose what to do. You may just put them like this, like if they're falling, or you can just make them exactly like this. Like that, above them, like that. Like that. And then put some here. Any way you like. Yeah, it's totally up to you. Like totally. You can follow me if you like, but it'll be hard to find the exact way. Yeah, the exact way to do it. So that's pretty much it. There we have it. That is the oil pastel drawing I've done with a tree with a rainbow background. I forgot to mention that I did this because I might fail it here and it won't look nice, so that's why. So I just want to cut this out, and this is actually good because it won't go on your table, and you can always cut this out. Make sure you use texture so it will be easier to see, especially black, because yeah. Okay, then that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, hit the bell, and like. Don't miss any of my other videos. Thank you.